Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly Sailor University. Now that you have updated your products on your online store, you may need to edit your product listings to add details, update inventory, update taxes, or so. To do so, you will go to the View section under Products from your dashboard. Here you will find all the products listed. Click on Filter and choose any of these options based on which you like to filter and view your product listings. For bulk actions, you can select the checkbox next to product listing and check for updates to take action on your listed selected product listings. You can use the toggle button to enable or disable individual product listings. To edit the product variants you are selling, you can click on Edit Options from the drop-down of the Edit product. And to update features of the product, you can click on Edit Attributes. If you like to replace your existing product images with high-quality media files, you can click on Add Images. You may have similar types of products in your inventory that stand apart with certain key attributes. To save your time, we let you create duplicate product listings for similar style products. You can click on Duplicate Product to make a copy of your existing product listing. Select Delete Product to delete the product that you have listed in here. That's how you can easily update and manage your existing product listings on your Builderfly store. Thank you for watching.